Have you ever felt stuck in life? Like you've reached a point where everything just feels routine? One day, you're excited, eager, maybe even scared, like when you leave your hometown for university, all nervous about the future. Then, before you know it, that same new place becomes just another part of your daily grind. Your initial challenges that once seemed so monumental are now just part of life. But here's the thing, feeling stuck is not a failure. It's completely natural. In fact, it's part of being human. Think about this for a second. We're constantly searching for better environments. That's human nature. It's deeply ingrained in us, like a survival mechanism. Imagine an immigrant leaving their country, their family, and everything they know, not because they want to, but because they want something better. A better life. They may not even know what that looks like, but it's the search for improvement, growth, and more opportunity that pushes them forward. That search is what fuels us. The same principle applies to you. Over time, your brain becomes accustomed to the very things that once gave you excitement. You adapt, you settle in, and the challenge, the thrill, that once pushed you forward, fades into the background. But that doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It's your brain at work. You see, our brains are wired to keep us safe. We don't like change because change can be risky. In the grand scheme of evolution, we didn't have the luxury to feel comfortable. Only 40,000 years ago, Homo sapiens were fighting off wild animals just to survive. Your brain still thinks that way. It's constantly looking for safety and stability because that's how you stay alive. That's why the real challenge comes when you need to break out of that comfort zone. You'll have to fight against yourself. It's like when you want to start something new, like leaving a well-paid job to pursue a business idea. Your brain screams, "Why risk it? Stay safe. You're comfortable here." But deep down, you know that moving forward, changing things up, might actually be the key to finding what truly makes you happy. What gives you more freedom and time for what you love. This is where philosophy comes in, because these ancient thinkers were all about understanding the human struggle. Take Seneca, for example. He spoke about embracing discomfort as a way to grow. He said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." Our modern minds don't always deal well with change, but those who push through the discomfort often find a reward at the other side. Marcus Aurelius, another great Stoic, talked about how our thoughts shape our actions. Your mind may tell you to stay in your comfort zone, but if you can train yourself to change your perspective, to view challenges as opportunities, you break free from that cycle of feeling stuck. So, if you feel stuck, remember, it's normal. It's human. It's the brain doing what it's supposed to do. But the beauty of being human is that we can fight against our natural instincts. We can choose to challenge ourselves, to find the discomfort that leads to real growth. The next time you feel stuck, recognize it for what it is, a sign that it's time to move forward. Push yourself, win the battle against yourself, and watch as your world expands into something greater than you ever imagined. Remember, no matter where you are, you have the power to change your situation. All it takes is the courage to break free and face the discomfort head-on. Thanks for watching. If you've been feeling stuck, take action today. And if this message resonated with you, subscribe and hit the bell to keep exploring more on how to break free from life's routines.